You know when you think you don't have a lot of clothes until you put them all out on your bed and you're just like, where did all of this come from? I'm just, who sends me like who's about to go through all these clothes? So as you guys can see, I am starting my minimalism journey. It's kind of part of my productivity thing as well, but I really just want to spend less time thinking about what I'm going to wear and spend more time on being productive and doing things that I love. I also just like, I love a sophisticated wardrobe, and I want to get to a point where I'm starting like a capsule wardrobe, so I'll take you guys along with that journey.
Okay, so because everything was everywhere on my bed, I kind of just started going through everything and decided what I was going to throw away and what I wasn't. So on the right side, there's what I'm just like throwing on the floor if I'm going to give away. Well, actually, I think I'm putting my hangers over there, and then I'm throwing the clothes I'm going to give away to the left side. And here I'm just trying out some blazers and seeing if I really want to keep them, because I truly want to keep the things that I'm actually going to be wearing, and really just be intentional about what I keep and what I don't. This was really hard, you guys, but I think it was a really good exercise for me.
Of course, this is my Pearl by Pearl cardigan. Absolutely love this. Pearl by Pearl is an amazing designer. I will have her Instagrams and stuff down below. But yes, awesome.
So these are all of my jeans and like colored pants. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue jeans and then one pair of black. Wow, I do not have black. I actually need black, but one pair of white and one pair of red. If anything, I'll probably get rid of the red ones, but again, depending on how my capsule wardrobe goes, I'm gonna keep these, and then when I get a new pair maybe of black and another color, I'll get rid of these. All right, these are all my skirts and one pair of shorts. Yeah, this is like a more dressy one, and then these, honestly, I don't know how I have so many skirts. This is a skirt. This is a pair of shorts, and then these are some jean skirts up here. But I honestly wear all of these, so I didn't see a point of getting rid of them, but we'll see when I do my capsule wardrobe. All right, so these are some other pants. So these are more like trousers for work. There are about 4 of these, and I also wear all of these, so those are good. Alright, you guys, as far as my scarves, I kept this one because I wear this a lot. This is like a nice black and white one I can put over my neck, or I can wrap my hair with it, or anything like that. So I kept that one. This is a gray one. These are pretty neutral colors, so I kept all these ones. I got rid of these two just because I don't wear them as often, and they don't go with everything, so yeah. And then lastly, I have this scarf, which I'm going to do a whole review on these. This is by Jemima Crochet. She is amazing at like crochet anything, honestly, so stay tuned to that video. I'm so excited. But like, this is a super cute scarf. How cute is this? You can throw it over anything and it makes everything just look so sophisticated. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned for that haul. I'm so excited to show you guys all about Jemima Crochet. But yeah, so beautiful, so I'm definitely keeping that one. Alright, and the last step was my shoes. I think I got rid of 2 shoes today, but like I said before, I had already done a clean out of my shoes. But as far as my heels, I think I literally just need some black pumps and I'll be good. These are like my little tiny ones for work. And down here I have like some boots, some heeled ones, more boots. This is like a high heel one though. I don't know if you can see the heel. And this is another heel, but it's like a chunky boot one. I really love boots, guys, so But I want to replace these because these literally hurt so bad. But before I do that, I want to buy some. And then I've had these for a long time. My sister gave me these, but these are like high knee boots that have heels on them. And down here I have some flats, blue ones, some pink pastel ones, and then I just have 2 sneakers here. I already actually have black flats, but they're downstairs right now. But yeah, this is all I have for shoes. I think this is pretty minimalistic, right? You guys tell me. I'm not sure. Alright, you guys, here is the final closet. Those are my purses up there and bags that I use periodically. And then here are all of my jackets, sweaters, and shirts. I used to fold my shirts, but now that I don't have so many, I can literally just have them hanging here. And I feel like already the clothes match pretty well. The only things that are like kind of out of the only thing that don't match is like this random pink shirt and then this shirt. But everything else I feel like kind of goes. I guess this blue doesn't go. But yeah, these are my tops and jackets. Down there are my shoes like I showed you guys earlier. In here I just have this is just basket. It has like some African print in there that I want to get done later. And right there I just have some slippers. Alright, on this here I have my jeans I talked to you guys about, my skirts, and 1 pair of shorts, and then my trousers. Here are things that I wear to stay home, and then workout clothing. And in here I have like casual dresses. Here are sweaters and long sleeve shirts. These are all the t-shirts that I own. And then down there I just have like tank tops that I wear under things. Lastly, over here I have my jackets I showed you guys, my dresses, and in here is where I put the scarves that I showed you guys. Here is the aftermath of cleaning out my closet. Look at all these things. I got rid of so much stuff, and now it's time to donate. Alright guys, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. It actually felt really good getting rid of so much stuff. Yeah, you guys, make sure to subscribe because I will be continuing on with this wardrobe thing, and I'm going to be starting my capsule wardrobe, and I'll record that. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel if you are interested in watching that. This whole minimalism journey for me is really about focusing on things that matter, being productive, and I'm trying to focus less on what I'm gonna wear, but kind of just being able to grab things and go, so I can be more productive. So it's kind of part of my productivity journey as well. And honestly, you guys, I love style, and it's time for a wardrobe makeover. So yeah, stay tuned for that, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and make sure to give me a big like, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below what your thoughts were for my little wardrobe cleanup. All right, without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.